after putting so much energy into that content, posting it here on YouTube channel, and it end up with 0 views, like it is literally out of the world. This actually happens with small YouTubers that are finding their way to grow. Really, I would say you should embrace the moment of you having 0 views, because it is what you should expect at the beginning, because you're here for the first time trying to understand the algorithm and how YouTube channel works. But then there are some steps you can take to grow your channel and get yourself from 0 views to more views you expect. So right in this video, I want to share with you what you want to put in place so you can get to see more views on your video from this moment henceforth. But make sure you implement them, okay? Hello guys, welcome here. My name is Yinka Atebayo, and I create content that help you with your content creation journey here on YouTube and any other platform that allows creators to earn directly from their content. So without much words said, I will go into it one after the other and share with you the points I have written down here in my jotter so we can get to learn together. The first thing here on my list is to check if your YouTube is verified. Just go to youtube.com/verify to check out if your channel is verified. And if your channel is verified like mine, you're good to go. And if it is not, then you want to click on all the stuff that is bringing out for you and follow it prompt to be able to verify your YouTube channel. So that being put in place, then we can start thinking of other things that we can implement to make sure we get out of the 0 views all the time. So I would like to let you know that you have to watch this content to the very end so you can get to know what to start doing now. One point here on my list is, once you post your content, you want to give your content a breathing space. Give your content a time. I'm not saying once you post your content you shouldn't share your link. It's good to share your link. Even YouTube expects you to share your link just to bring new people from those places to YouTube, because YouTube love it if a large people are coming here to watch content, and especially if they are watching content through you. So it's a good thing for YouTube, because the person that comes from the external to watch your content will not only watch your own video, the person will watch other people's video. So how can you get to do these things right? Once you post your video, you want to give your video space. You can give an hour. The least time you can give it is 30 minutes. You can give it a day. Just let the video breathe. The moment you are allowing your video to breathe, this is the moment where YouTube is going to be able to read that content, understand it, put it in the face of the rightful people that need to watch those videos. Another point here on my list is, if you have a new account, use the account to watch some content before you start posting. Okay, if you create a YouTube channel on the 1st of October, you don't want to start posting content immediately on the 1st of October. You want to allow it to breathe. You want to use the channel actively for a while. Isn't it to watch other content? This is going to allow YouTube to understand that you are not a robot. As far as I'm concerned, I'm into anything that help you with YouTube channel and all, but I still actively use my channel to watch other contents, even out of my niche. Now, another thing here on my list is, once you drop any content here on YouTube, you want to have other accounts where you're watching your videos from. This is going to help your video. By the time that YouTube is trying to understand your video and pushing it to other people's face, you should have gotten to one of the accounts you've created and start watching that particular video there. Watch the video from the beginning to the end. Like the video, drop comment for yourself. I used to do it for myself. Like, I do it for myself and it's very good. Watch the video from beginning to Z. Like the video yourself. On that second account, drop comment for yourself. Use the account to subscribe to that YouTube channel. Do you understand? It's going to allow you to believe that, okay, this your YouTube channel is a big one and people really seriously are craving to watch your video. It's going to increase your impression rate. Is like total amount of people that saw your video even without clicking on it. If they click on it and watch, that is view, okay? But if they sees it, that is impression. Oh, really? There's serious noise going on at the background. I really wanted to ignore it because this is not going to be a reason for me not to be consistent on YouTube. I'll create my content. So this is weekend and we're off it. Okay, another thing here on my list is don't post videos that has watermark here. Maybe you have a content you dropped on Instagram or on TikTok and you want to copy the content, like your own content, you want to come and repost it on YouTube. Make sure it's that fresh content that you edited yourself. Make sure that's what you're posting, because YouTube does not allow you to promote other platforms. I'm sorry if they are hearing me. YouTube does not allow that. So you want to do away with whatever they don't like. Don't do it. Don't just do it. If you have watermark under your video, make sure you find a way to remove it. Do something to cover it and post the video, okay? So because this can end up the video not having view, you want to take note of this. It might reduce your view, okay? So another thing you want to put into mind is the first few seconds of your video. The first few seconds of your video, I'm saying this repeatedly, please take note of it. It's very important. Let it be a simple expression of what your title is all about. Let it just simply express what the video is all about. Make sure that's what you're saying at the beginning of your video. Make sure that's what you're sharing at the beginning of your video. Don't let them click on your video and something else is what it's showing. It's very, very important to take note of this so that you can have good views. Do you understand? This is going to keep people to stick to that video and really want to watch to the end. That's what will increase, your audience retention, and it's going to really push that content of yours. Because if the beginning of the video they're just fed up, and because they don't have time now, they're fed up and other things, they can just end up leaving the content, and it's not good for you. I've created a video here to express everything you need to know about this. Just watch the video so you get to learn it in total. Your title and thumbnail is so important. It's so important. Make sure it's sparking curiosity. Make sure it's doing the work for you. Make sure it's, people are seeing it. People are like asking questions in their head that what is this video all about? Let me just watch, because that's what viewers will get to see first. And if it is cumbersome, it's just not giving any good reason why they should click. Nobody will click, and your video will end up with 0 view again, and you don't need this. So for you to get out of 0 views, you want to work on your title, your thumbnail, and whatever that has to do with your YouTube channel totally. Now, the last but not the least, the obonge and the odogo of them all is create valuable content. This can never be overemphasized. Create valuable content. This is going to help you. Like, if your content is valuable enough, people will watch it. If 1, 2, 3, see, total numbers of people you need to push your content is almost like 10 or less. See, if 5 first people that watch your content like it, they like the video, it really impacts them. You see them, they will drop comment for you. They will drop 1 or 2 comments for you. They will tell you this video is actually a good one, and that is what YouTube will see and be like, okay, the first few people that watch this video are actually uploading the video. Let's push it more. Let's push it more. So they'll just keep showing it to other people. And it's not just anyhow people. It's people that really need your content, that are interested in your niche, that are interested in those kind of value you give out. So I want to start working on getting more values, like putting it there, putting it out here on YouTube to get whatever you want. These are all words I have written down for you to move from 0 views to more views in the year 2024 before this year runs out, because it's very important to start seeing the views you expected. You're not here to play, I'm sure of it, and that's why you're watching this content, because you're so interested in growing your YouTube channel, and it is just like this YouTube channel must grow this year for you, and it's going to work. So just do all this and see your YouTube channel grow, and come back to testify under the comment section. Let me know if this really worked for you. Put them in place, and I'm going to see you in the upper side of life. We've gotten to the end of this video. Make sure to like this video, drop comments for me, share this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new here, because we drop valuable content every single day. Okay, I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.